Okay. We got the name, we got the space, we got the logo, got the employees.
And we got the fucking money.
Yeah! Which means there's one thing left to do. How do we make a statement?
Well, we just robbed a money train and killed Sergio in a particularly horrific fashion.
Oh, so you ripped out Sergio's heart.
I was there for moral support.
It doesn't matter. Because word on the street is that the Nawali was a one-man wrecking ball. The Saints didn't get any shine from the heist. So, we're gonna need something that establishes us as an institution.
All right, so we need to do something that says we're not going anywhere, come at us.
Exactly.
We steal the Hummingbird Codex. Marshall wanted to protect it. Panteros and the Idols wanted to steal it. And if it wasn't for that fucking book, we wouldn't have formed the Saints. It should be ours.
I like it. How do we do it?
I mean, I figured we'd just go in with a bunch of guns and kill the shit out of everybody. But if we want to do some heist movie stuff, I can work with that.
Yeah,
That's cool.
guns work.
Sounds good.
Nuestra cultura mexicana. Mira la iglesia, ya estoy.
So the Idols hide their stuff in an abandoned boat shop?
Under the boat shop. They've got stashes
Ahora
all
vámonos.
over the city.
Vámonos.
Probably there because it's closest to the museum.
And it's practically next door to us.
I know. Stealing the Codex is going to be the easiest statement we ever made.
Hells yeah.
Your verses just ducked in, the mic is a Drano, volcanoes erupting, rhymes overflowing, gradually growing, everything is written in
¿Qué manda por ahí? Sí, esto. Flipo.
48 tracks to slide, the invincible microphone, beat rock,
Nuestra cultura mexicana. Se me pegó la puta canción, con Dios. Ya la caseta para botes, voy. Hablamos.
Hey, you neon assholes! We're here to steal back the codex you stole after it was stolen from other
Uf,
people.
llame la atención,
The Saints are here to steal your shit. Can't finish.
Es que hay mucha people.
Where you hurt?
That went better than I expected. I am not the target.
Vale. Queda bueno por ahí, ¿no?
Codex is gonna be ours. Another one.
Vale. ¿Cómo?
You won't survive this flash cracker!
I'm ready for a brawl.
Susto. Vamos para abajo.
The vault is at the bottom of those stairs.
And it's clear sailing from here to there.
Let's go get it.
Vamos a llevar el códice. No hay ninguno más. Extraña. ¿Cómo?
They locked us in.
That's not the codex. It's another fake. And a bomb. It's okay. I can disarm this. Probably.
Activa la bomba.
Hurry up.
Marshall training. Got it.
Ya.
Those fuckers almost fucked us up.
Then we better fuck them up twice as much to make our statement.
You mean
Hay que
find
buscar un
the
sitio para
Codex
escaparse, ¿no?
and bust some serious heads?
Hells yeah.
I don't think the bomb went off.
So we do this the fun way.
¿Cómo? Joder, de la cámara corazada. Ah, bo. ¿Qué hice?
Same team, same team.
Espérate.
fucked up. Let's think. If the Codex isn't here, where would they have
Papelito.
taken it?
They didn't just move the Codex. They emptied this whole place.
So how do you empty a boathouse?
Of
Por aquí, ¿no?
course. The Collective's yacht. It's like their HQ. I bet they transferred everything there.
Then that's where we're going next.
There's some jet skis out back. We can grab one of those. The idols won't shoot at their own jet skis. This is gonna be an epic
Venga, a
statement.
darla.
That yacht's guarded AF.
And every last one of them is gonna learn what happens when you try to blow up a sink.
Queda uno por
Hells
ahí.
yeah!
Debe estar aquí.
Hide and seek.
Vamos. Es cultura mexicana. Me cuelo por aquí. Vamos con una moto de agua. Voy. Vale. ¡No! Venga.
We're gonna want a different way back. It sucked to get the Codex wet.
Está guapa la moto.
No worries. Call home for a ride.
Sí que vehículos de agua no sé mucho, la verdad.
Can you send a
Vamos.
helicopter to pick us up from the Collective's yacht?
Are you two crazy? Let me see who I can find.
We're gonna need a lot of speed to get the jet ski onto the yacht.
Ve al yate. Voy.
We can use those ramps to get onto the yacht.
Salta. Uy, espérate. Limpiar carrerilla. Así bien, ¿no?
Eso fue los tiros
Maybe try those jumps?
de la tuya.
Malísimo, tío. No, hay que hacerlo bien, espérate. Espérate. Vamos a pillar más carrerilla porque veo que me cuesta. Venga, ahora sí. Esta es la buena. Esta es la buena. No es la buena, no es la buena. Espera. Aquí por el medio de esto, mira. Es el truco, realmente un truco. Por los mexicanos, esto va por los mexicanos.
Light work.
Vale. Ahora sí, ¿eh? Visualizada.
Whoa, Bell, jump!
Vale, no sirvió. Vamos para allá. Vale. Una gran familia.
Let's go
Hola,
find the
buenas.
Codex. I'm sorry. Did you think you were safe here?
¿Qué pasa? Hola.
Bring the party.
Qué buena recibida, Hola. ¿Esto se abre o...? No, no es por aquí, ¿no? Debe ser por aquí fuera. Ah, por aquí, mira. Vale. ¿Cómo? ¿Quién queda? Yo voy a entrar igualmente. Bueno, lo sé yo. Limpito. Por arriba no,
We're
porque...
here to take what we want.
Hey boss, Nina sent me with the chopper. I'll just hover over till you're ready to go.
Aquí hay gente, mucha gente. A ver. Pobrecito. Ay, Dios mío.
Codex is here.
Yes, let's make our statement. Now, your turn.
¿Vale? Madrid.
We got the oh shit! It's booby trapped.
Otra bomba.
Getting really tired of defusing these things. Pink wire. Got it.
Ya seguito con las bombas,
Fucking fucks. They nearly blew us up
Con la
again.
bomba.
I say we return the fucking favor.
Hells yeah. I got the codex. Let's get this bomb to the bridge.
¿Por romperlo? No. Entrar aquí.
It's hot.
Aquí es, ¿no?
Run.
El helipuerto.
We got the codex, planted a bomb, and are gonna get away clean on our own helicopter. Now that's a statement.
Capullos. Mataron a Nina.
Hey, Kev, did we just trap ourselves on a boat with a live bomb and a bunch of angry idols?
Hell. Yeah.
Boom.
Huh. I am not the one to fuck with.
Habéis matado a Nina.
Collective members down.
Hostia, la bomba.
We should probably get out of here before a bomb blows up.
Good call.
Bueno. Cuida el yate.
Holy shit.
Just keep your head down and run. Don't get too close to the flames and you'll be fine. Let's grab that speedboat. Shove the codex in the watertight compartment. I'll drive.
Things got a little crazy over there.
Seriously. Why does stuff like that keep happening to us?
I don't know. Prison riots, derailing
La
trains.
fiesta ahí.
It's almost enough to make you question your whole way of...
Look out! Idols on jet skis with machine guns!
Let's fuck them up.
Hells yeah! I'm gonna head for home. You give them a reason not to follow us.
Oh no, not today.
Boom.
Let's go.
No vienen, no llegan.
I am not the one to fuck.
You're just embarrassing yourself now.
Se rinden, ¿no? No hay nadie. ¿Qué hago yo?
Codex is ours, assholes.
No llegan, tío.
You still haven't learned not to fuck with the Saints.
Oh. Oh no.
Peeled off. We're good now. So, what were we saying?
Huh? When?
Just now, before the jet skis and stuff.
Probably that we're awesome, stole the codex and fucked up Collective HQ.
Yeah, I'm sure that was it. Talk about a goddamn statement.
Hells yeah, buddy. Hells yeah. Who messes with the Saints? No one! I said, who messes with the Saints? No one! You're goddamn right, no one. The Saints aren't a flash in the pan. We're here to stay. The four of us founded the Saints, but it belongs to all of us. It belongs to anyone who dreams of making something of themselves and are fucking tired of the world trying to hold them back. Life is hard enough without having to deal with middle managers with no discernible talent telling you how to do your job. Without having to deal with assholes who've had every opportunity handed to them but never had to fucking work for a single one of them. Without being told that your time will come. You just have to wait. Be patient. Well, let me tell you something. We're fucking done waiting.
Así es.
We all did the work. Now it's time for us to reap the benefits. Kev, I think it's time you throw us a hell of a party.
Ah, lo grande.